Healthy Food Within Reach is a new series I'm releasing to share my love of food. My story with food is simple. I love to eat good food. Whether that arrived through travels, local cuisine, and of course my dad's fabulous cooking. And mom's cooking.
Hey!
And mom's fabulous cooking. Food is something that connects us. I love to watch cooking shows like The Chef Show and Even Nailed It. It is astonishing to see the creativity of food on shows like these. My brother will often joke that I've watched so much of the Great Canadian Baking Show, yet I've never made anything.
It's not a joke though.
So obviously I took on the challenge to show that gourmet cooking is something you can achieve within your own kitchen. When I hear the word gourmet, I think expensive and costly to my health. With my recipes, you won't have to worry about either of those things. I said I like good food, and to me, good food is tasty and nutritious. Sometimes you can put the last part in brackets. The ingredients we will use combined with our mediocre cooking skills will accomplish that. I will even take the time to highlight ingredients that correspond with healthy eating. I'd like to finish by saying that gourmet cooking does not have an age requirement. I'm constantly in awe, inspired by young chefs on MasterChef Junior and on YouTube. Gourmet cooking is for everyone, and I hope you'll join me as we take on these delicious recipes together.